Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Power, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, languages, add a language. And here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next is to drag Ukrainian on the first place, and language will be changed automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the settings, then to the Система section, Мова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.